Hello, I'm Shirley from Proway. Today we are going to introduce our company's sales strip. Let's do it. We all know the main purpose of the sales strip is to prevent water from penetrating the space outside the shower room while showering. It is important accessory to keep the bathroom dry and to realize the wet and dry separation function of the shower. Our products are very airtight and come in a wide range of styles for all types of bathroom glass doors in all types of installations. Multiple colors available and customizable. Super clear, black, blue, red, etc. Suitable for different thicknesses of glass doors. 4mm, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm. This part is hard and the ceiling part is soft, which does not affect the opening and closing of glass doors. As a company that has been developing for 24 years, we can offer a wide range of seal strips made of various materials, such as PVC, rubber, silicone, rubber plastic, and at a very advantageous price, which is why many customers from Europe and the United States and other countries are willing to cooperate with us for a long time. Above is all the information about the sales strip.